Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you on how to track HubSpot from submissions. Not only that, I'll also be showing you how to access individual data that were submitted on the form itself. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the script that you'll be using, and let's just go ahead and remove this for now. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. So this script is basically provided by HubSpot themselves. The only tweak that I've added is this data layer push, and this is basically when a form is submitted, I will go ahead and push an event to the data layer, and the event name in that case is HubSpot from submit. You can go ahead and manipulate this and name it whatever you want. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to click on preview. Okay, so there we have the form. I'm just going to go ahead and add this in. Okay, EMG. Let's just go ahead and submit this. And as you can see, we have HubSpot from submit event right here. So if we click here, nothing really is available except for the event name that we can use as a custom event trigger. But as I told you in the beginning of the video, I want to go ahead and access the individual info that were submitted on the form itself. So how do we do this? Let's go ahead to GTM and let's go ahead and add this. So let's just start off with the form data. So that would be events.data. Let's just go ahead and save this for now, and let's run a test one more time. All right, let's just go ahead and fill in the form. Test. Let's put EMG on this one, and let's click on submit. So if we go here, we have HubSpot from submit events. If we go here and click on the drop down, we should see that we have all these data available to us. But let's say, for example, that we want something more specific. Let's say that I want to access the email only. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. Okay, so user email. So it's 0, 1, 2. Okay, so data to that value. Let me go ahead and save this. And let's preview this one more time. Okay, let's just fill in the info. Let's just change this to EMG. Let's submit this. And if we go to the debugger, we should see that we have the event name. And if we click here, we should see that we have the email. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to HubSpot from submissions. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer each and every one of them. Thank you so much for watching the video. Looking forward to the next one. Thank you.